family and I invite you to come along with us on a visual excursion to the great state of Maine as we travel over vast bridges into interesting tunnels. And into the wonderful sights and sounds of Maine's historic places, lighthouses, beautiful wildlife, and hopefully a few unique views from the drone. If, of course, I can get clearance to fly and the well-known coastal wind gusts don't hinder our flights. Fingers crossed. So stay tuned for some great exciting episodes coming up over the next few months as I get time to edit them. To stay notified, simply hit that subscribe button and click that bell for all notifications, and you should be updated on our future ResslerMania episodes.